Hello children, welcome to AlphaNumericTricksKids. Now we will see vowels, consonants and the use of articles a and an. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These are the 26 letters. These letters are known as uppercase letters or capital letters. These letters are known as lowercase letters or small letters. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. Those are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English alphabet. Leaving these vowels A, E, I, O, U, remaining letters are known as consonants. So, there are 21 consonants in English alphabets. Those are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 21 consonants in English alphabet. Now we will see use of the articles a and an. The words a and an are called the articles. Now we will see when to use these articles. These articles refers to one person or one animal or one place or one thing. Now we will see use of an article an. An is used before the words beginning with a vowels. That is, suppose a word is beginning with A, E, I, O, U, we have to use the article an. For example, this is an apple. So this apple starts with the vowel A, so we have to use an apple. Egg. Egg starts with the letter E. This is a vowel, so we have to use an before egg. An egg. Owl. This is an owl. Owl start with the vowel O, so we have to use an before owl. An owl. Iron. Iron start with the letter I, that is a vowel, so we have to use an iron. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with the vowel U, so we have to use an before umbrella. So an umbrella is the correct usage. Ant. A is a vowel again, so you have to use an ant. This is the way you have to use an before the vowels. Now come to the consonants. A is used before the words beginning with a consonant. That is, suppose a word beginning with a consonant other than vowels, we have to use the word A. For example, this is a ball. So here B is a consonant, isn't it? Ball starts with B, that is a consonant. So you have to use a ball. Frog. Frog. Here F is a consonant, so you have to use a frog. Kettle. This is a kettle. Kettle starts with a consonant K, so you have to use a kettle. Pumpkin. P is a consonant again, so you have to use a pumpkin. Yogurt. Y is a consonant, so you have to use a yogurt. Vulture. Again, V is a consonant, so you have to use a vulture. Next one, woman. Here, woman starts with the consonant W, so we have to use the letter or article A. Here, lollipop. Lollipop starts with a consonant L, so you have to use the article A here. So this is the usage of the article A. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Alpha Numeric Tricks Kids for more videos. Thank you.